Hello friends, I am Maisha. Welcome you all in Seva Samajik Vikas Sanstha Satara. In today's English session, we are going to discuss column-based question. In previous video, we had discussed column-based sentences. Today we are going to see column-based error. So what type of question is this? In such questions, different parts of the sentence will be highlighted, and these highlighted parts may or may not contain some error. Either it is a grammatical error or contextual error. In some column, highlighted parts of the sentence will be listed, and in another column, means one column, you will have the different parts which are highlighted, and in another column, appropriate replacement will be given to you, and you will be required to choose the appropriate replacement to make the grammatically correct sentence. And such questions are comparatively easy because you are provided with both incorrect and correct part. The fastest approach to solve such a question is to directly compare the part of the sentence given in two columns. The entire statement must follow a single tense that you have to check. Then you need to be aware of the grammatical rule. Having thorough knowledge of the rules regarded to usage of the noun, verb, adverb, adjectives, etc. can help you to find out the error or in error spotting. Uh, Sometimes or also many times the statement may contain spelling errors, and just because we have the habit of finding grammatical error only, we often develop a tendency to ignore the error related to the spellings. So we need to check grammatical error as well as error regarding the spelling. Candidate must not make the alteration within the intended meaning of the sentence. The sentence must be carefully read, and in the most cases, you can identify the error in the single reading itself. So, what is necessary subject verb arrangement you must see properly, means you should give special attention to that, and then you are able to find out the error in the sentence. Now let's see here on the screen, you are able to see the question which is asked. So here 11 to 15 questions are given to you, and in the following questions a sentence is given some words, and these words are highlighted which may have grammatical or a spelling error, or they may be contextually incorrect. Two columns, means column 1 and column 2, are given. Column 1 consists of bold words of the sentence, and the column 2 second consists of the appropriate replacement for the bold words. Match the correct replacement, and if there is no such replacement, then you have to mark the answer no error. Now let's see the first example here on the screen. Unprecedented restrictions were imposed in 80 districts across 17 states and 5 union territories affected by the epidemic. Now, three words are highlighted here, which you are able to see in the column 1: restriction, across, and affected. So, dear friends, see the first part of the sentence, and for this replacement is given restrictions, along, and affected. Now, see the first one: unprecedented restriction were imposed. Now, here what helping verb is used? Were, which is used in a past tense, and when, especially when the noun is in a plural form. But here restriction, how are the restrictions? So unprecedented. So restriction is a noun here, and unprecedented is what? Information given about the noun, means adjective. So noun must be plural, and here it is given in singular form. So here in D, it is given restrictions. So A should be replaced with D. So that much you are able to understand. Now see in the given options, option A and option C, where you are able to find out A can replace with D. But here one extra thing is the given that B can be replaced with E. So B here across is an E replacement is given along. So the restrictions were imposed in 18 districts across 17 states or along 17 states. So along word is not appropriate here because within 17 states, 80 districts were imposed that kind of restrictions. So across word is appropriate here. So only means from this A and C option, only A option is appropriate here and the answer is A. Means the remaining sentence will be as it is. Means other highlighted words, they are correct. No improvement or no change is required here. So this, let us see the correct statement. On presidential restrictions, S will be there, were imposed in 80 districts across 17 states and 5 union territories affected by the epidemic. So our answer is what? A. Let's see the another example here on the screen. 17 members of a police patrol were killed in an ambush by mosques in Chhattisgarh's Sukma on Saturday. So the words which are highlighted here, members, patrol and ambush. Now here you are able to see the replacement is given for the given words in the column 1 A, B, C. The replacement is given as member, patrol and attack. So if we will replace these words means 17 members. So members plural form must be there because number is in plural form. So noun member won't be there. It should be members. So for A there is no need to have